smart budgeting tips will help you manage your finances more effectively and save money for your family's future. So let's dive in. Energy efficiency. Get efficient and have a schedule for showers to reduce the amount of time you need to have the hot water on. Perhaps go as far as setting time limits on showers if you have that as a problem with someone in the family. A power shower has a very high cost to run, so limiting it can net you some nice savings. Simple changes like switching to LED light bulbs, which use 90% less energy than conventional halogen bulbs across your home, over time can add up to some serious savings. Get the family in the habit of turning things off when not in use. Games consoles and computers can go off instead of left in sleep mode. If you have cheaper utilities overnight, then utilize that as much as possible. I will put washing in over one night and then move it to the tumble dryer for the next night, unless it's dry outside, of course. That means it takes 2 days, and that energy saving pattern can be ruined by my daughter announcing she needs her PE top cleaned for tomorrow morning. So try and schedule your washing and get the family involved in knowing when something needs to go in. DIY home maintenance. Learning basic home maintenance skills can save you a lot of money on professional services and are great life lessons to pass on to kids. There are plenty of online resources and YouTube tutorials that can teach you how to fix common household issues, like a leaky tap or a clogged drain. Don't do anything dangerous, of course, but you'll be surprised at some simple fixes that have saved me hundreds over the years of owning a home. A great example was when our dishwasher just stopped. A bit of time spent searching online left us unblocking a clogged up pipe on the back and reattaching it. In the end, it cost us nothing, and we had it up and running again within the hour. Lean into the skills of your family. If you have a tech-savvy kid, maybe have them look into digital issues, or even challenge them to find the best replacement within your budget if it comes to that. Meal planning. One of the best ways to save money is by planning your meals in advance. This helps you avoid impulse purchases and reduces food waste. It makes it easier for you to shop what's in your cupboard, preventing you from having to buy every ingredient for the meal and saving even more on that week's shopping. If you have any fussy eaters in your family, then meal planning can work out even better for you. In my house, we each get to pick a couple of meals to make it fair. Once you have your meal plan, you can make your list of the things you'll need to get that you don't already have. This means you should only be buying what you need, preventing wasted money and food. You can also be cost effective with the amounts you're buying. Buying the larger portion of something that will cover a couple of the meals can be a good way of saving a little money. Set financial goals. It may seem a weird thing in a list of ways to save money, but having a clear financial goal for the family can help get everyone on the same page. Kids may be just a little bit more understanding when you say no to something outside of your budget, when you know it's going towards the family trip away or whatever your goal ends up being. Setting good financial goals is an often neglected part of personal finance. Yet it's such a powerful tool to use to keep motivated when paying off debts, stay on track with spending, and understand how to make your budget work for you. To find out more about financial goals, check out this video over here. If you have a top tip to save money, especially if it helps out the whole family, then let me know in the comments. I always love to hear new ideas. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching,